Hey there, Earl here. This is a review of the Bestand Laptop Stand. Yes, the brand name is literally a wordplay. Best and stand smushed together. In this review, I'll share my thoughts after a month of using this stand and what I like about this stand versus other stands, so stay tuned. It comes in this irregularly shaped box, which I find cool. The box actually has a plastic handle, and I'm including this packaging information here because I think keeping the box might be useful in case you want to bring the stand somewhere. It's unlikely for someone to do so, but it's not an impossible scenario, and them including a handle on the box is highly appreciated. Inside, the stand is wrapped with plastic and rests on a cardboard cushion on both sides. So going to the stand itself, the stand measures roughly 5.5 inches tall, 10 inches wide, and 8.5 inches deep. It's made out of 7000 series 4mm aluminum alloy, which means it's very sturdy and not easy to deform. And it supports laptops from 11 inches up to 16 inches. It comes in silver and space gray that supposedly matches the Macbook colors. Some say it matches, some say the gray is a little darker than the Apple gray. Unfortunately, I can't verify that because I have a silver MacBook here on a dark gray stand. But if it's any help, those who commented that their stand is of a darker space gray actually like that it's darker because according to them, it complemented the lighter space gray on the MacBook. Now, it raises the laptop roughly 5.5 inches at the back or screen area and 3.5 inches at the front or trackpad area. This puts the laptop in an ergonomic position for use, and the slant makes the keyboard still accessible at this height versus if it was flat. And the stand is actually sturdy enough to type on. It's not really how it's meant to be used, but it's very handy to be able to type on the keyboard if you have to, and it does it really well, which I actually sometimes do, and I can say that the stand is actually very stable and sturdy. Now, there are several things that I like about this stand that I want to point out. Let's start with the vents. Instead of a plain surface, this stand has 3 huge cutouts which helps keep the laptop cool. I have a 2015 MacBook Pro with an upgraded SSD and it heats up quite a lot. Putting it in this elevated position, plus the vents underneath that improves airflow, help lessen the running temperature of this laptop. Next is the 2mm tacky and durable silicone protector. Now, this is worth focusing on. This essentially holds the laptop in place because the built-in anti-skid fit on your laptop won't be touching the stand because it'll be too far out. And what I appreciate most about this is that it's not just glued on. It's actually plugged through the aluminum, which makes it very sturdy. Other stands just glue this piece in, which eventually comes off because number 1, the pressure from the laptop pushing down, and number 2, heat from the laptop which weakens the adhesive. Also, it's tacky. It actually grips the laptop. My MacBook won't budge even if I bump it hard. Next is the wide stopper at the front, also padded with the same tacky silicone material. It has a cutout at the center so you can open your laptop comfortably. I like that it's wide, meaning more surface area to support the laptop, and that it has thick silicone protector. At the bottom are 4 silicone anti-skid feet, which again are really tacky. This does 2 jobs well. Number 1, prevent your table from being scratched because, well, the stand is aluminum. And number 2, keep the stand from sliding even if you bumped it hard. Next is the wide cable management hole at the back. The extra width gives you room for whatever wire you might need to have here. Lastly, it doesn't have obnoxious branding. It has this minimal engraved branding and it's hidden when you're using it, which I really appreciate. Many stands out there put their branding where it's always visible, and some even use very visible markings like white text on black stand, which I think makes a desk setup look less attractive. At Amazon, this stand is $37. As rough reference, the Rain Design mStand is $40 and 12 South Curve is $60. But there are a lot of varying styles and categories of laptop stands, from detachable, portable, non-elevated, etc. So if you're looking for a laptop stand, your first step would be to identify what type of stand you need. And if you decided that you need a non-height adjustable, non-rotating, solid single-piece slab of aluminum laptop stand, then the Bestand Laptop Stand is worth checking out in my opinion. And that's it. Let me know in the comments your thoughts and questions about this stand. If this video was helpful, hit the like button so others can easily find this video. If you love this video, hit the subscribe button for more. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.